lobster.
Okay, so we're just gonna let it boil for 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. Let's check it after 10 minutes. Ah, that looks so good. I think it's ready. We're gonna take it out. So this is our cooked lobster, and then we're just gonna separate the head now from the tail. We're gonna cut this one. We're gonna make it like this. So let's just pull the head from the body. And you see this bottom part? It's pretty dirty to look at. So we're gonna just nip it and clean it up like this. Okay, so now we cleaned up the bottom part. Oh, there's another one. And then we are going to cut this one like so. All the way to the last line right here. And it would be hard for us to open this. So the trick is, you see this back side right here? There's sort of like another line shell over here. We need to break that. So basically, if you're holding it or you're putting it against the plate, you can just simply push it in the middle and you hear that crack. So now that we've broken that, then it would be easier for us to kind of open this up and get the meat out. You can do this fresh or you can do this when it's already cooked. It doesn't matter. But this one, we cook it ahead of time. We boiled it. And now we're going to just put it out for some kind of presentation. Like this. And if you want to make it open, you can just do a little more cutting. So then you can make that nice butterfly, like so. Okay, so here's our tail that we open up, butterflied, and then the other half. I'm gonna leave it like that for decoration later. And we have our king oyster mushroom. We have ginger, garlic, and white onions. I am planning also to put shiitake mushroom. This is actually dried shiitake. I already soaked it with water. We have butter. Supposedly we're gonna use a lot of butter here, but I decided to instead of butter, a lot of butter, I'll just do butter and olive oil. We're gonna use paprika. I also would like to use a little bit of that cajun mixture right there. Parsley, if you have fresh parsley, it's even better. But since I don't have fresh parsley, I can use this dried parsley. We have the garlic and pepper with salt already. We have also our lemon. So this one is our lemon. I have red wine, but if you do have white wine, I prefer white wine, but it doesn't matter. Just the flavor. This one is the chili flakes. And now we're gonna start. We're gonna start sauteing. So I have the olive oil first. I'm gonna add the butter later. I just don't want it to burn. Garlic, and then we have ginger. We have our onions. Okay, I'm gonna add the king oyster mushroom. As well as our shiitake. Let it soak for 5 minutes. Put our butter and okay, let's use a little bit. taste. Look at that. That looks amazing. We're gonna put our other one sauce because I put it right. Okay, and then we're gonna just add our lobster tail like that. Lobster tail. There you go. And let's put our shiitake mushroom as our decoration. Let's put some. We got our shiitake mushrooms arranged already, and we're just gonna put the sauce on top of our tail first. Let's put the sauce. Yes. Oh my goodness. There you go. Let's put it right on top here. Let's soak it up with our sauce. Oh yeah. And let the sauce drip. We're gonna get a lot of that sauce later. And simply just pour the rest of the stuff, goodness in here. It will soak up the whole oh my gosh. So make sure that all the goodness is in our plate. Oh yes. There you go. And I still would like the sauce to be up here. Okay. Here is our final sauteed lobster with shiitake mushroom and king oyster mushroom. Dosed with a lot of olive oil and butter. I hope you had a great time cooking with me. If you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you all next time. Happy cooking, everyone. And thank you all for watching.